Hey YouTube, welcome back to my normal style of content or at least will be normal, of me not knowing what I'm doing, but trying to know what I'm doing. So, I like rockets. Who doesn't? And I want to make some. I've already tried this fuel with wood. I put in a short clip of how that went. But I want to using, try using candle wax, which is supposed to be a better solid fuel for a hybrid rocket. With this, I'm going to use my oxygen tank for my oxyacetylene to, I'd use that for the oxygen and have a hybrid rocket. I'll show you in just a couple minutes. Okay, so a lot has happened. You see, I've been filming, I've been using my cell phone to film, and I've been filming in horizontal or vertical, that one, yeah. And I've gone through a lot, but I don't want to show you all that in vertical because that's annoying AF. So, to sum it up, I burnt through 2 candles. To make the actual, like, base or whatever you want to call it. I've used tinfoil, which has not worked. I've made a mess of this table, and I ended up using this to burn it, but I've given up. So now I'm gonna weld this piece of metal to this steel plate in hopes that maybe, just maybe, it will work like this. Yeah. So this is gonna be a lot of fun. Back to welding. But always remember, kids, A before O, or up you go. You see, I forgot that, 1, I'm using an oxyacetylene torch, 2, this is very thick steel, and 3, I'm a bad welder, so I couldn't even form a bead, so this was a bad idea. God, I don't even know what to do right now. I think I'm just gonna try another way. I'm not even sure what that way is yet, to make the cast of wax. But I'm looking around my shop right now. I don't see anything that I could use. Maybe a few sockets or something, but like, gosh, I'm dumb. So as the smartest person that you will ever meet, I decided that if I couldn't weld this, but I could weld this, what if I were to get a piece of this, cut it off, hammer it out, so it's flat, and then weld it to the base of that? Was that southern thing interested? Anyways, yeah. I'd say it went pretty well. I hope this works. But I got a bead going on the around it. Yeah, still cooling off though. Hopefully that's watertight or wax tight. I don't really know. I don't even know at this point. But yeah. So I got this. I'm gonna fill it with a wax. I'm gonna get like a what's it called? Gonna get like a nail nail going at the bottom, in the bottom there, so I can pretty much pull the entire thing out and slip it into another one of these. That it's not gonna be a mold, but it's gonna be practically just the same piece, and then do the first test fire. But maybe might have to say that for tomorrow because it is getting late. Ran out of daylight, but yeah, I should be doing this in my pajamas, but like, you know, who cares? I like to say I'm as surprised as anyone else would be that actually worked. My God, look, I don't know if you can see that line of wax, but like, holy wow. Because I realize I'm an idiot, and that this is probably not coming out, what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to drill a hole. I'm going to tap and drill a hole on my drill press through here and pull this nail out this side. And then once I have that, I'd have a hole on either side. And this isn't actually a mold, it's just a one-time Yeah. I don't think you'd be surprised if I told you that I did a terrible job drilling on this side. Oh, that's upside down. Who cares? But, terrible job drilling on that side. But this is a concept test. It's fine. It's a concept. I'm testing the concept. So, what I'm going to do is hook up the oxygen, well, just hook up my oxyacetylene tank to right here in the hole, and hook up right here, set it on fire, and see if it fires. You know, like a rocket. Because that's what this is. A rocket. A hybrid rocket. Explain what that is in post. I don't fucking know. Okay, so you see, I've tried this like 3 times now. This is like my 3rd, 4th take. But lighting this bit of wax through the steel is difficult. I know, shocker. But what I think I'm going to try to do is get this little piece of wood. See that? Ignite that. So I can ignite the rocket. Oh, let's go. Oh, let's go. Oh, God. That was amazing. That was not supposed to happen. I love it. Oh, God. That was worth all the hours, like the 3 hours that I put in today. My God.